Welcome to Tian Family Channel. This time we will share exciting and unique experiences from our travels, from delicious culinary to amazing tourist destinations. This is the place for those of you who want to see the world through the lens of our adventures. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any exciting stories from us. Let's start today's journey. Discover the rich history behind Mie Ongklok, a traditional dish that has captured the hearts of Wonosobo locals and visitors alike. This unique noodle dish, made with a thick starchy gravy, is perfectly paired with satay, tempeh kemul, or crispy tofu. Originally crafted to warm the bodies of those living in the cool Dieng plateau, Mie Ongklok has become a symbol of culinary tradition in Wonosobo. From its humble beginnings to becoming a must-try dish for food enthusiasts, let's dive into the story of how this iconic meal continues to bring people together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. See you in the next video.